Hi, my name is Dr. Sarah. I'm Executive VP here at Akua Mind and Body, and I was going to discuss today with you how to handle the upcoming holidays. It is a question that we get very often with our clients and from families as what do I do during the holidays and how do we make them as easy as possible? Well, as we all know, in this difficult situation that it's not going to be easy for everybody. So the best advice that I could give you is to just keep it simple and to enjoy the little time that you do have with your family and with them being all together in one room, because that's what we want the most when we're going through these times. And they're just as afraid as you are, as the client or the loved one or the one that's struggling. And the only thing that we could do as the family members is just to welcome them with open arms. Just keep it simple. There's a time and a place to discuss everything, and family holidays is just not the time. So that's the best advice that I can give as now happy holidays and from our family to yours. Here we go.